abandoned ruins. And planning projects for when we acquire it from the Greek church or take it. It's 7 a.m. in Athens airport. I'm going to Sicily to do an open swim, 2K, Palermo, and to go on other adventures. And this is the start of a 2.5 week kind of round the world trip, 5 countries, and a lot of flights. Alrighty, we are inside the temple of Aphrodite, Uranus in Segesta, and apparently they made this to impress the Athenians. Fair enough, but they didn't finish. That's why the columns aren't fluted. OceanMan Palermo done 2K. Felt pretty good. I got a PB for at least a minute for my last time, which was like 30 last time. So I know I beat it by at least a minute. We'll see how much I beat it by. But yeah, good swim, fun swim, good location. So satisfied. Next challenge is a Spartan in Sparti 5K. We'll see how that goes. I do want to be significantly lighter and more fit than I am now. So a lot of work to do, but happy.